Hey guys, welcome to the TheDroidGuy. Today, we are going to talk about the Miele Compact C1 Pure Suction Powerline Canister Vacuum. China produces C1 Pure Suction, while Germany produces C1 Classic. Ideal for households with low pile carpet and hard floors, bagged canister vacuums have compact bodies for convenient storage. It has a strong suction power. You can choose from 6 suction power settings according on the surface you're cleaning. Use the clip-on accessories to clean upholstery or difficult to reach areas, or vacuum effortlessly around and underneath furniture. A genuine Miele filter bag, a motor protection filter, and an air clean exhaust filter make up Miele's distinctive 3-tiered filtering system. After vacuuming, the air in the room is cleaner than before. That's it. I hope this guide has been able to help you one way or the other. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.